Hello everyone, welcome back to TechLog YouTube channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how to recover password in Messenger Lite. So for that, first of all, open the Messenger Lite application. Once you're at the home page or the login page of Facebook Messenger Lite, you need to tap on Forgot Password, tap that. Now for the recovery, you need to type in the email address. You can also search by email or the name. Tap on search by email or name instead. You provide your email or the full name over here. I'm going to type in the email address, then tap on search. For the recovery, you will also have this option of use your Google account. Log in into the Google to quickly reset your password. You can tap on continue. So they will show you the account of yours on here. Tap that. With that, you will be able to create a new password right away. Now you type in the new password over here. Then tap on next. Log in with one tap. Now your account has been recovered. You tap on OK. Now this will get you logged in into the Facebook. Now once you tap on the messenger icon, tap that. Once you have been logged in into the Facebook, what you can do over here is type in the email address. Now here you just need to type in the new password that you have just updated it right now for the Facebook. Type that and then tap on login. And with that, you will be logged into the account. So this is how you can recover password in Messenger Lite. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the TechLog YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.